Yo, what's up everybody? It's your boy Stylish Jut, and listen up, because I'm about to drop some serious knowledge bombs on you. We're talking about the future, your future, digital marketing. This stuff is on fire right now. Why? Because companies are pouring billions into online advertising, and they need people like you to run the show. That's right, I said you. You don't need some fancy degree to win this game. You just need hustle, grit, and the right information. And guess what? I'm about to give you that information right here, right now. We're talking step-by-step, no BS, how to break into digital marketing and start making some serious bank. This is your chance to ditch that dead-end job, become your own boss, and live life on your own terms. So buckle up, smash that like button, and get ready to take some notes. This is going to be epic. Alright, let's break this down. What is digital marketing? Simply put, it's using the power of the internet to promote brands, products, you name it. It's everything from those Instagram ads you scroll past to those YouTube videos you can't stop watching. And let me tell you, it's a big freaking deal. We're talking social media marketing, SEO, paid ads, email marketing, content marketing, the whole 9 yards. And the best part, companies across every industry are desperate for skilled digital marketers to help them navigate this online jungle. Think about it. Every time you search for something on Google, click on a Facebook ad, or buy something online, that's digital marketing in action, and somebody's getting paid, sometimes big time, to make that happen. That's why I'm so fired up about this. This isn't just some trendy career path. This is the future of business. And the sooner you get on board, the sooner you can start writing your own ticket to success. We're talking 6-figure salaries, the freedom to work from anywhere, and the satisfaction of knowing you've got skills that are in high demand. No more soul-crushing commutes, no more answering to a boss you can't stand. This is about taking control of your life and your future. So, are you ready to join the digital revolution? Now, I'm not gonna lie, becoming a digital marketing ninja takes work. But the good news is, you don't need to be a tech genius to make it happen. What you do need are some key skills and the hunger to learn and adapt. First up, SEO, or search engine optimization. This is all about getting websites to rank high on Google. And trust me, it's a goldmine. Then there's social media marketing. You think those Instagram influencers are just posting pretty pictures? They're running businesses, baby. And let's not forget paid ads. This is where the big dogs play. We're talking Facebook ads, Google ads, YouTube ads. You master this and you'll be printing money. But it's not just about the technical stuff. You gotta know how to write copy that converts, analyze data like a boss, and stay ahead of the curve in this ever-changing digital landscape. Now, before you freak out thinking you need to master all of this overnight, chill. The beauty of digital marketing is that you can specialize. Start with one skill, crush it, then move on to the next. Alright, enough talk, let's get down to brass tacks. Here's your step-by-step blueprint to becoming a digital marketing rockstar. Step 1. Pick your weapon of choice. What excites you the most? SEO? Social media? Pick one and go all in. Step 2. Time to level up your skills. The internet is your oyster, my friend. We're talking free resources like HubSpot Academy, Google Digital Garage, and of course, yours truly on YouTube. Want to dive deeper? Invest in yourself with paid courses on Udemy, Coursera, or LinkedIn Learning. Step 3. Knowledge without action is useless. Build your own website, grow a social media following, or offer your services to local businesses for free. Get that real-world experience. Step 4. Show off your wins. Build a portfolio that showcases your skills and results. Before and after screenshots, case studies, testimonials, let the world know what you're capable of. Step 5. Time to get paid. Freelance platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, and People Per Hour are gold mines for beginners. Land that first $500 client, then $1,000, then $5,000. The sky's the limit. Remember, this is a marathon, not a sprint. Stay consistent, keep learning, and never give up on your dreams. Chapter 4. How much money can you really make? Now for the million-dollar question, how much can you actually earn as a digital marketer? Well, my friend, that depends on your hustle. Starting out, you can expect to make around $3,000 to $5,000 per month. Not bad for a side hustle, right? But as you gain experience and build your portfolio, those numbers start climbing fast. We're talking $7,000, $10,000, even $15,000 or more per month for the top dogs. Freelancers can charge anywhere from $500 to $5,000 per project, while agency owners are building empires worth 6 or even 7 figures. The best part? You're in control. You set your rates, you choose your clients, and you build a business that works for you. No more trading time for money. This is about building a sustainable income stream that can set you up for life. Chapter 5. Avoid these deadly mistakes and fast-track your success. Now I want to be real with you. There are going to be bumps in the road, but knowing the common pitfalls can save you a lot of time and frustration. Mistake number 1. Trying to learn everything at once. Don't spread yourself too thin. Focus on one skill, master it, then move on. Mistake number 2, not practicing enough. You can read all the books and watch all the YouTube videos in the world, but nothing beats real-world experience. Get your hands dirty and start building. Mistake number 3, undercharging for your services. Know your worth. Don't be afraid to charge what you're worth, and don't be afraid to raise your prices as you gain experience. Chapter 6. Take action today and become unstoppable. Listen up because this is important. You've got the information, you've got the tools, and you've got the support. Now, it's time to take action. Don't let this be another video you watch and forget about. I'm giving you the keys to the kingdom, but you've got to be willing to turn the ignition. Start by checking out the free resources in the description below. I've got links to all the best learning platforms, tools, and communities to help you get started. Subscribe to my channel for more game-changing advice and hit that notification bell so you don't miss a single episode. And for those of you who are serious about taking your digital marketing game to the next level, comment marketing below, and I'll send you my exclusive step-by-step roadmap to success. It's completely free, because I believe in you. Now go out there and crush it. Outro, the future is yours, go claim it. Look, I'm not going to sugarcoat it, the digital marketing world is competitive, but you know what, I wouldn't have it any other way. Because competition breeds excellence. It forces you to step up your game and become the best version of yourself. So if you're scared, good. That means you're on the verge of something great. Embrace the fear, embrace the hustle, and embrace the grind, because the rewards are more than worth it. This is your chance to build a life of freedom, flexibility, and financial abundance. The future is yours for the taking. Now go out there and claim it.